All the best for both the teams. Show a good performance and a good show. Ija Anita is smiling.
Photo, father.
Younger boys, under 14, under 10, everybody. Gia. Player starting. Shlok, Snyder, Tavish, Ronak, and all I hear to cheer them, come on. Sujan, Snyder, Shlok. This man has to be what? Tavish, a most dangerous person. And the opposite side will be Suresh. Get set. Fall. He will be heavily guarded. It's the man highest scorer of the tournament still now. One flick. Get set. Penetrates. Save. Power. What defense by that? Jared. Heaven. What a save. Goalkeeper is alert. Kingston is alert. There is no backup. Oh, Sujan enters the 6-meter line. Watch the ball, watch the line. Key is not to get nervous here. You should not get excited. Concentrate, cuts the line, goalkeeper, error. 9-meter throw, it's a goalkeeper line. Shlok and Ronak. They are rotating very close to the 9-meter line. He is heavily guarded. They have to give a screen and go. Ronak! Hurry up. They have to rotate the ball. Make the defense move. That's the key. Unwanted shot. Tavish attempts an unwanted shot. Straight. This man has to be seen. Jared, that's it. No. He goes for a penalty, but no, referee is not going to give. He has to have a clear view of the goal. Watch the referee. Strange is playing at the wrong area. He has to see where he's going to play. They have to move. No ball is hit. That's it. Penalty! Very good. 1-0. You don't let Jaren, once he there goes, he will suddenly score and get a penalty. That's his shot! What a shot by Shlok! Shlok goes up. What a beautiful shot. That is the way. You have to feed the wings. Once you feed the wings, the game will be open. Jaren, he has to release the ball. That is selfish. Release the ball, Jaren. Release the ball. Look at the power this man has. He is fully packed with power. You have to watch him. They are the highest scorer of this tournament. Both Tavish and Snyder gets excited. 9-meter throw. Unnecessary shot attempted by Snyder. Rotate the ball, feed in the wings. Shlok. Snyder. Holding it. Sujan. Shlok turns. Shoot! Fall. He was not in the clear view of scoring. That is why the penalty has been denied. Ronak. ball. One more attack, and he will not. He'll be on passive play. Passive play means only 4 passes. They have to score now. Men to men, defending. Now they are defending well. Both the teams are defending well. Tabesh is not given any room. He casts the line. Is under pressure now. He has to score. Ronak scores! Makes a crucial error. Score is 3-2. 3-2 the score. Jared is not passing the wings. A silly shot to the wrong side. A small orange. He's well. Get up, please. He was at the wrong angle to take a shot. He was not in the position to take a shot. Gets the ball. Tabesh. Restarts. Restart the rotation. Restart. Gets it. Suresh knows that Tabesh, he is a dangerous person. He is going to hold him tighter. He has to create. Good defense. Samarth. Jaren. They have created a wall in front of Tabesh. They are not rotating the ball in the wings. Wings has to move in. No. Rotate the ball. Rotate the ball. Rotate the ball. Rotation. Ball rotate. Only ball is rotating only one side. Rotate the ball, boys. Goal! Ayan is dreaming. Ayan, you have to be alert. Score is 3 each. 3 each. Gets it, Jaran. Penalty. Rotate the ball, but only one rotation will not make difference here. He has to rotate the ball faster on the run. Run high. They went for the fast break. Suraj, can you move behind? Move behind. Suraj, can you move behind? Good defense by Tabesh. He has to be very careful now. He has already got 1 yellow card. If he gets 1 more yellow card, he will be out for a minute. You have to be alert. The ball is going down every time to you. You have to be very alert. Suresh. One more attack and the passive play will come. In action. Go. Oh! A beautiful save, man! Beautiful save! A definite chance squandered. Tabesh is trying to penetrate, trying to get a gap. Schneider. Silly pass by. What a pass.
Your ball.
They are rotating very close to the 9 middle line. Gets it. Abhay is tired. He is not been given any chance to penetrate.
Snyder. एका दोनला तर ना तू मारपाक. दोन जाणां हाडटा मरे दोन. वच. अरे गॅप पळय रे. दोन जाणां हाडटा ना. You leave the gap and take the ball and go now.
Cheering for the team. End of the first half. The score is 5-3.
ओढला मला प्रश्न ओढला त्या का
Here we go. This half is going to decide the winner. Increase the pace. Increase the pace, please. Increase the pace. You get in. They are playing very close to the defender. They are getting the ball. They have to bail away from the defender. Ronak, they are playing a lazy game. Lazy game they are playing. Yes. This is the third penalty he has taken now. Don't take the penalty. Jaren himself. Jaren. The score is 5-3. Has to play sensibly now. They are under pressure now. They are already 3 goals down. Gets it. Oh, it's a foul. It's a rough tackle. Three meters. No advantage been given. He has to make it. He has to make it faster. Make it faster. Slow. Snyder. Fast break. Shoot. This is what is required. You have to increase the pace. Score is 6-4. 2 goal difference and nothing goal. You have only 5 seconds to cross it and score. Release the ball. Sorry. Heyman has to release the ball. Once you're caught, you have to release. Oh, what a save. Kingston is alert. Snyder has to support. Snyder is playing a lazy game. He's not supporting the team. Ronak. Field tennis. They're not field tennis. 9-meter. I will not able to penetrate.
स्लाइडर स्लाइडर एका फीड कर एका बाहेर राहून त्या हाईटिंग दिसत होतो एका फीड करी
Timeout has been taken.
स्कोरिंग
Injury timeout. Injury timeout. Last 7 minutes.
स्लाइडर
Tabish is walking and playing. There is no energy shown by Tabish here.
कोई इंजन ना वाच रे
Slow, that's it. So, was already inside the 6-meter line. Sorry, he was already inside the 9-meter line. He was cutting the ball line and
अरे
hit the
साधी
ball.
मला किती होता
If the score is still 6-4, the goal is disallowed. Jaron is dreaming. Oh, Ant. Line cut. Cutting the line. Samar was cutting the line. Now this is a time where the team is put under pressure. The team which holds the nerve is going to win the match. Kelsey is leading.
अरे स्लो
That's it. Go, get it.
अरे टाइम वेस्ट करना का स्कोरिंग ये तो बोल
One lead is nothing lead. Pressure for Jaron and Steve. Get it, Jaron. What a save by Jaron. What a save by Dixon. This is a different. Oh, Edge. Jaron gets it. Score! Score is 7-5. 7-5. 7-5. They have increased the pace now. Increase the pace, boys. Time is shorter. Time is shorter. What a pass by this Ronak. Ronak. You cannot hold the player before the ball. You will be suspended. You can see Dennis is open there. Dennis. Oh, what a score.
ओके स्लो प्ले
They are not rotating. They are not anything any good for a team. They have to rotate the ball, increase the pace. Jaron is playing. What a silly pass is Jaron doing. Kingston gets it. Score. 7-6. They are change the tactics. Jaron, penalty. They are not defending. They are scoring, but they are not defending. One goal they are scoring, but letting other goal score. Team Chris Kingston, save it, Kingston. Wow! Score is still 8-6 lead. The time left. 4 minutes more, 4 minutes left. Huge amount of time left. Wow! It is not a goal score, it is outside. Tabish, it's a frustrated shot. You cannot squander the ball. Gets it. Line cut. He's already inside. Score is 9-6, 3 lead. Ant. Foul. Double dribble. They have to increase 3 minutes more. Increase the pace now. Yes, Ronak, gets it.
पेनल्टी तरी गया
Ronak doesn't know to fake. He has to fake. This is what practice does. What a fake! This is required. Tabish, you can still do it. Score is 9-7. Two lead. Mistake. Running. Place. Tabish gets it. Get the ball in the wing. Get the ball in the wing. Score is 9-8 is the score. 9-8. One goal lead. Come on, boys. Increase the pace. This is a close finish. Wow. Tabish running. Pushing forward. Now you have to defend well. If you defend well, yes, the ball is opposite side. Defend well. Oh! Kingston is dribbling there. require only 10 seconds. Yeah, Tabish is the first shot. Tabish made a crucial error. No. 2 minutes they have to defend well. FCs are not going to give a good attack. Only 2 attacks will be given. Running. He is running with the ball. Running with the ball. Running with the ball. He has to start. He was forcing an attack. That is a forced attack that is made up. Tabish has support. Has to move the ball in the wings. Wings. The ball is not coming in the wings. Tries to catch the Slope. Slope has to release the ball. Tabish, you're playing the wrong play. That is why he's not getting the ball. Slope! Penalty. What a match we have had. What a match we have had. The winner is Nazi and Mothers. Teacher Kita's team wins. Teacher Kita's team wins. I request